Okay, what exactly is a professional engineer and the engineering profession?
Well, it's the professional engineering, I guess, seal license is licensed by New York State, and going through your educational requirements, you take a state test, and you're allowed to engage in professional engineering practice, design of buildings, roads, bridges, those type of things. At the professional level, it's a standard set by the state of quality and professionalism, basically.
Now, there are different types of engineers, right?
Yes, correct.
Could you go through some of the different categories?
I happen to be a civil engineer.
Which is what?
Which deals with things outside. I like to think of it things outside the building, parking lots, roads, even bridges. Even though there's structural engineers that are involved with that. Sometimes several different different categories of engineers will work on a project. Stormwater maintenance, I know, is a big thing now. Handling how we handle stormwater. Anything outside the building is civil. So structural engineers, say, would handle the structure, this building here, or you see skyscrapers in New York City. You need a structural engineer on those type of projects. And then there's other varieties that I'm not too involved with, but chemical engineers are involved with Now,
a chemical engineer. What would a chemical engineer be doing?
Plastics, polymers, those type of. I'm sure I'm missing some stuff, but
okay.
I'm thinking, things that are materials, strength of materials. How we make our steel stronger, how we make our plastic more efficient. Those type of things that involve almost like research, if you will. And then there's mechanical engineers, deal with vehicles, deal with. I know General Electric is a big employer of mechanical engineers with their turbines. So it goes on and on. There's actually quite a list of engineers, people involved with the space shuttle, aeronautical engineers involved with planes. So it goes on and on. Nanotechnology is a type of engineering where you're engineering electronics. So it's quite a broad field, and a lot of people don't necessarily know that. But there's pretty much a lot of categories that almost fits every person's dream of what they want to do. If you want to design cell phones, or you want to design the iPod is a product of engineering. So it goes on and on. And I do a lot of work with the schools, and when I give them this list, they are astonished. Like, wow, I thought engineers sit in a back room somewhere doing calculations all day. But there's a lot more to it. A lot of design, a lot of your own thoughts and ideas get put on paper, and you try to make them a reality.
Now, you were sharing with me before going on the air that you were a native of the capital region, the city of Schenectady.
Yes.
What made you wake up one day and say, "Mom, Dad, I want to be an engineer"?
Well, it's funny. In high school, I was always good dealing with maps, and I liked doing math problems, like solving problems. So and going through the high school, civil engineering deals with the terrain, the land, and I really enjoyed those maps. And to be able to apply, math and science to try and make the land usable, which is kind of part of civil engineering. Take that land in its raw form and start from scratch and make something that people can use, that can be part of society. It's really, it was something that I really it attracted me, and I wanted to figure out a way that I could go forward and help society and help people, and actually do something that I enjoy doing.